We got a little ADS-B antenna that we're going to be pairing up with our new iPads. That one's mine in the picture there. Cameron has his set up inside. The handheld isn't new. The Bose headset isn't new, but who's going to tell, right? No one tell. All right, so we'll see you in the cockpit as we get these things set up.
Cessna 199, be ready for departure, please.
We're ready, 199.
Cessna 51 Zulu parking.
Echo ramp.
Turn right, runway 32.
Right, runway 32. Which way?
Cessna 199, without delay, clear for takeoff, traffic mile final, southeastbound.
Clear for takeoff, no delay. 65199.
Cessna 51 Zulu, Bravo Alpha to Echo.
Bravo Alpha to Echo. 51 Zulu.
Acres 11, clear to land.
Acres 11, clear to land.
Thought he would have called us next.
And Duchess 75 Alpha, without delay, clear for takeoff.
Yeah, take off 975 Alpha. Roll around, roll them out, roll them out. That guy's on the best channel.
Cessna 88, frequency change approved.
199, request early frequency change.
Cessna 199, have a good day.
You too.
Lights are on. Okay. Alright, here's speed of line. 70. Positive rate. Positive rate. Gear up. Gear is coming up. In transition.
From Northport, straight in runway 19, please.
Alright, 500 feet.
100 knots. Okay.
I can catch it both of us.
That's a power. Altitude.
Traffic 11 o'clock. 2 nautical mile, 200 feet below. Up there.
And Hudson traffic, Twin Dutchess northbound, passing the clock, Hudson.
Trying to see where you see the frequencies.
Or you can search it.
Alright, we're going to come up a little bit more, and then we're going to bank left.
Okay.
For the TFR. I'll let you know when.
At the Intrepid?
Negative, we're going to go past that.
Okay. We didn't get to the Intrepid yet.
Right.
Okay. Fix the differential prop, please.
Oh, yeah. You got New Jersey to your left, New York to your right. City that never sleeps.
Got a copter hovering on the 12.
Yeah, I didn't get a warning, but
Right out there.
got him.
Right, so just past Sublime, we'll be landing in G3 with southbound in approximately 3 minutes to through the traffic.
What's my speed for me?
100 knots.
And Hudson traffic, Twin Dutchess southbound, just north of the Intrepid, Hudson. Awesome altitude there.
Yeah, perfect timing on that TFR.
Yeah.
Yep.
Thank you.
through traffic, amphibian 1 Papa Juliet is between Northeast and 59, straight reach, landing southbound and east.
One, I can take it if you want me to.
Yeah, I'm just trying to find my bearing here where I am.
Yeah.
Okay, I see it. Past the Intrepid already. Next call is going to be what, the clock?
That should be affirmative.
Much altitude. What's calling it?
I don't know which building he is in, one of these. He says close.
Close to the end of the Hudson.
Yeah. Oh, Mario, you see LaGuardia? I'm sorry, that's JFK. LaGuardia should be right over there. Behind there somewhere.
Yeah, I see LaGuardia.
Perfect.
It's not like 7 o'clock.
11 o'clock.
7 o'clock.
Traffic. 11 o'clock, 1 mile.
Yeah. Traffic, 2 o'clock, 1 nautical miles, 1,100 feet.
Okay. That's right over here. There is a copter right there. I see him. Copter's hovering.
If we're gonna buzz the lady, we gotta drop down to 800 feet counterclockwise.
Okay. And Hudson traffic, Twin Dutch is approaching the clock southbound. Hudson.
Oh, flats. Oh, flat.
Line 88.
That's 199. You're going to be following Farmer Delta D traffic in the opposite downwind, pretty much beam the mall. Welcome to traffic 199. Welcome to traffic 199. 360 once you're done with that one. 50, yes.
Another 360 when I'm done. South Farmer, say 50.
Cessna 28 Romeo, one more 360 as well.
One more 360 for 28 Romeo.
Up.
199 has traffic in sight. 199, roger, the Cherokee in the opposite downwind?
Alpha.
Yeah, about opposite downwind. 199, thank you, follow the Cherokee. Following Cherokee, 199. Citation 7 X-ray Romeo, runway 19 clear to land.
19 clear to land, citation 17 X-ray Romeo.
Yeah.
7 Papa Alpha Alpha, and you can taxi in with me.
Alpha with you, 7 Papa Alpha.
That was terrible on this break.
Citation 7